Hi, my name is Walter with B Media. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over how to install the BPlay device and the different controls that you can actually trigger within the device itself. So the BPlay unit has a couple different connectors that you want to use. In the front, it has two USB ports, and they'll be used for keyboard and mouse. Now on the back side, you're going to have VGA to connect to a monitor. You'll have the Ethernet connection along with HDMI and power. So the way you want to connect this is connect HDMI and VGA. VGA will go to the monitor speaker, and HDMI will go out to the speaker that will be playing the videos. Power, of course, and the Cat5 cable. Once all of that's connected, you'll have video running on both screens. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and plug in the unit now. We're going to start off with the backside. We're going to go ahead and plug in the HDMI cable. After HDMI, you want to make sure that you plug in the VGA cable. Once that VGA cable is connected, the next thing that you want to plug in is Cat5. Now the last thing on the back is the power supply. Now when we move it to the front, you want to make sure that you connect both USB cables for keyboard and mouse, and it'll roughly take about 1 to 2 minutes for the unit to fully boot up. So after you plug in your device and power it on, you should be able to see these two screens run. One of the screens, when you connect it with HDMI, will be running the music videos, and the second screen will have your management aspect of it. If you don't see this, you definitely want to revert back to the instructions we had before on how to plug in the device in order to achieve the desired result. So the management aspect of the unit will allow you to select different genres, create a queue, do a quick ticker, have custom playlists, pause and skip, schedule different playlists, set target BPMs, along with full screen video or also selecting a layout from the ones that have been created. So the easiest thing that we can go ahead and do is go through the different genres of music and start selecting. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is go through the different genres. So with the keyboard and mouse that you connected, we'll be able to browse through and see what's available within the BPlay. So we can go right in and click on Hot Hits, and when you check mark, it will trigger that genre to start running on the screen. We also have the ability to create a quick ticker. When we do so, we click on quick ticker, giving us the ability to change what you want to have here. So we can say welcome, click OK, and then the quick ticker will appear on the screen. We also have the ability to create song cues. When we do that, it'll give you a list of all the songs, or you can select different genres. For example, being able to say, want top 80s, and move the songs over to your quick mix. Once you've selected the songs, you click OK, and your song cue is ready to go. You have the ability to pause and skip right from the interface, along from also being able to select the BPM, beats per minute, that you want to have the music running. So once you've selected that, the system will adjust and play only songs within that target BPM. You also have the ability to go full screen or choose from one of the scheduled layouts that have been created for you. So now that we've played around with the interface and we know what it does, we're going to go ahead and implement that onto the screen. But make sure that you always have an audio source connected, so that way you have the audio and you can hear it. So that's how easy it is to set up and use the BPlay by B Media. So definitely go ahead, try it out. If you have any questions, let us know. And don't hesitate to give us a call, email us with any type of questions or concerns. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and definitely join us for the next one.